How to make money fast and easy online. This video is going to help a lot of people, especially you that's watching this right now. So if you need to make money, if you're looking for a way to make money, I'm not here to waste your time because what I'm going to share with you in this video can really help you. So I need for you to step up your game. I need for you to take action immediately after this video. So don't try to skip ahead and miss out on the most important things that I'm going to share with you, because if you miss out some of the steps and it don't work, don't complain. So I'm going to show you how it works in a step-by-step of how to make money fast and easy online using the method that I'm going to share with you. So if this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, my name is Andre. I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, lots of ways, entrepreneurship, in order to put money in your pocket. So if you've never made money online, I can assure you that after this video, there's only a few people that it's going to work for. And the people who take action immediately after this video, it will work for. The people who watch the video and don't do absolutely nothing, well, sorry to say, I'm very straightforward. It's not going to work. So here's what we're going to do. This is my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, become a part of the family. And as I said, I'm going to show you how to put more money in your pocket or put your first dollar online in your pocket. Now, the first thing we're going to be signing up for is ClickBank. And I'm going to use this method because with ClickBank, I know most people can sign up for. Now, do keep in mind that it doesn't matter what affiliate network you use, this method can work. So even though I'm explaining to you a little bit about ClickBank and its products, this can work for any affiliate marketing. And this is for people who are very low on budget. You don't have a lot of money, but you need some traction and you need something start rolling in. All right? Because when I started my online career, I didn't have much money. So I had to go the free way. So I'm up to a point right now where I can spend money on ads. I can spend like $20, $50 a day, even $100 a day sometimes. And I'm not here to brag. I'm just telling you that that's where I slowly work my way up. Okay? So this will work for you. And especially if you have a little bit of money or no money. So let's get started. Now, the first thing, you sign up for ClickBank. There's multiple products as always, if you've been watching my videos. Now, for this one, I'm going to go with surveys. People are always looking for surveys. So I click on the paid surveys because this is something that people want. Like paid surveys right out the gate, let me tell you, people will sign up for it. And the good thing about this paid survey is they have an average rebill of 70%. Like this ain't no joke. 70% rebill, that is pretty high. So that means if someone sign up for this, chances are they'll sign up for next month or the next month. So if you have 10 people sign up, you have 70 people who's going to rebill. That's what you need to look for, because you're going to get that residual income coming in over and over again. So initial sale is like a $1.96, right? And the average sale is like $63.43. Average rebill is $61.90. Average sale is 50%. Now this right here, right? It's something that you can promote. You can make some money with it. And people are always, right? Always looking for a way to make money. That's the good thing. They're always looking for some ways. So this one right here, it is a good product to promote. This down here as well is a good product to promote. Now, what you have to look for, even though it's an average rebill, your average initial sale you're going to get is $1.96. Now, $1, okay, it's not that great. You make them 63, the initial sale is $1.96. Right down here, average sale is $33.08. Initial sale is $33.08. So I'm not quite sure what's down here about the initial average sale, but I wouldn't want to promote this. I would definitely go for this one because the gravity score is 2154. That's pretty high. So that means they've sold like 21 of these this week or today. Sometimes it all depends. Right here, you can take surveys and you can always look and see what it is that you want to promote. So look at it, take survey, right? People down here, you click on there, you click down there, plenty of surveys that people are signing up for. So once they put their email address in, the first name, email, they get started. If they sign up, boom, you're going to be making some money. Cool? Sweet. So now we know what we're promoting. The next thing we want to do is grab the affiliate. So here's the affiliate link. You create the affiliate link. That's the link. You want to copy the link. All right. Before I do that, what we're going to be doing is we want to create a way where it's going to be very attractive so people can click on it. So they're going to click on it. So we got to make it attractive. So the first thing we want to do is we want to find an actual post. Let's go with a blank one. So we're going to create a blank one, a blank poster. Now, these things, when it comes to surveys, one thing that you can use, you can always use money. Money is something that you want to put on these type of ads. So like this right here, I will just take this and I will just put it right there, right? So you see, money attracts money. So you can, make it a little bigger because this is the poster. I would just leave the top up here. I would come right here and I would get a square. So I'm creating this so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, right? Make a little square, right? Here it is. Make this right there. Take this right there. Now get a little bit of, get creative, even though I'm create this, right? Get creative. You don't have to copy what I'm doing, but at least I'm trying to give you some idea. See, so because I know sometimes it's always good to work off some form of idea. So you come right here, want to change the color to white, of course, and I would write paid, get paid to do surveys. All right, look at that. Boom. Okay, move this down here. Move this down here. All right, I'll change this to 100, make it a little bigger, maybe 110. Boom, oops, not 10, 110. So I'm showing you step by step, all right? So make sure you're watching this video. Keep watching it so far, all right? Keep watching the video. If you haven't watched the video, well, hey, you're missing out on this. So, right, get paid to do surveys. I would also put some arrows on it. Throw a little bit of arrow in there, like this arrow, all right? Kind of like, put some emphasis on it. Change this color to red. There we go. All right, so look at that. Get paid to do surveys. And I would even put down here, like right down here, like sign up now. So you see how attractive it is, right? This is not like, you don't have to make it all super fancy, but make it easy, attractive, less word, get straight to the point, boom, you're in. Now, before I show you the website that you're going to share this on, if you haven't yet, make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. So subscribe, because a lot of you watch the videos, watch the channel, but you're not subscribing. So make sure you subscribe and drop down in the comments if you're brand new. So what I'm sharing with you can really help a lot of people this year. Like, I can truly think it's gonna really help you. If you apply what I learned, it's gonna work. Now, this is not instant gratification where you post something one time, boom, money's gonna come in. Of course, you gotta be consistent and you're gonna see some changes. You start making money and then you invest it in whatever it is that you wanna do. So you can do this while you do other business. You can do this before you go to work. You can do this after you get home from work, and just remain consistent. So if you do this, all right, boom. So the website we're going to be talking about is a website that is called interleads.net. So interleads.net, right? Right up here. INTERLEADS. So this word, .net. So all you have to do is just come over here. And once you come here, all right, where it says post ad for free, you can post your ads for free. So it is free. You can post your ads. However, if you want to make this ad premium and you want to do it for 90 days where it gets to be highlighted at the top, it's going to cost you $5. So if you have $5 and you want to put it at the top for 90 days, go for it. If you want to do one ad, because once you do that ad, it's going to be remaining at the top. As I said before, I'm spending, heaps of money on ads per day. So if $5 for 90 days, that's a steal. Five like this right here, you can run on Facebook ads for $5 a day. But this right here, you're gonna be getting a lot of people. So put your email, put your password you sign up for. So once you sign up, I'm gonna share with you the different type of ads that are on this. So if you look over here, there's business opportunities, there's work from home, business for sale, agents, dealers wanted, distributor wanted. So for this particular ad, where I would post in a few different places. I'll post in start your business, right? This is a good place, right? I would go into work from home, business opportunities. I would go into agents, dealers wanted, work from home as well. I'll post it in ebooks. I'll go into general. And then over here where it says jobs, I would go into the jobs. So I'll go into like manual labor. I would post here. I would post in sales. I would post in other jobs, advertising, public relations. So these are the different things. Now, here's the trick about this particular website. And here's the good thing, right? So there's different locations and there's different cities. So if I were you, I would post one of these ads in different state over and over again, over and over, each and every one of them I'll post. If they allow you to post, no, try not to spam, try not to post too many times, because if you post too many times, they're gonna ban you. Anywhere you go and you post too many times, you're gonna ban. So if you want to do one a day, do that too. Like it's 90 days, one of the ads are gonna be there for. So don't feel like you're running out of time, because you're not. So you can do one ad, one ad, one ad. Just do one a day. One a day. And if you look here, right, it's going to take you, it depends on how many states, right? By the end of this month, you could do all of them. So that's like 90 days. And you can be creative, create new things, post different offers if you want to. But surveys are always a good thing, because people are always looking for surveys. People will just sit and do surveys over and over again because it's good. And this survey website, they do pay. They pay and people are making money with it. So all you got to do is do exactly what I tell you to do. Sign up for it, get started right away, and you got to have to start taking massive action. So I do hope you enjoy that video of how to make money online fast and easy. Thank you so much for watching that video. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.